Are you okay? Look at me. Mask removal and replacement. First, breath in and out to relax and get ready. Remove your mask. Don't let it fall from your hand. Keep holding your mask. Make sure it is in the correct position. Replace the mask back on your face. Inhale from your mouth. Seal the top of the mask. Then look up while blowing from the nose, ensuring the mask is cleared. All is done.